Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking closely at Ling Corporation's, their challenge-solving internship 2024.
Right.
We've got some excerpts from Ling Corp News detailing how they brought university students in to work on actual business problems. Our mission here is really to understand how these kinds of collaborations, between companies and universities can spark innovation and develop talent.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is that Ling Corporation got students directly involved with their day-to-day practical issues.
Exactly.
We're talking about 4 graduate students here, 3 from Saitama University and 1 from Shibar Institute of Technology.
Right, so 4 students tackling tangible business needs. These weren't just, theoretical exercises.
Really?
Okay, so first up, one team was tasked with creating a background recording tool for web conferences. The key here was platform independence.
Okay.
So let's maybe unpack that a bit. Being able to record meetings no matter what platform you're using, that offers a lot of flexibility, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely. And that really reflects, a broader push from companies wanting interoperability, trying to avoid that vendor lock-in.
Good point. Yeah.
It's pretty crucial with all the different tech tools out there now. Then another team, they focused on Ling's hiring process, created a digital resume system.
Right, the digital resume. Were they trying to fix specific bottlenecks, do we know? Or just general inefficiency?
Well, think about the sheer number of applications large companies get.
True.
Streamlining that whole intake and management process with a smart digital system that could seriously boost HR efficiency.
Yeah, really bringing their hiring management into, the DX era, digital transformation.
Precisely. Then there was the project on a bot for resignation intention correspondence, designed to handle that initial communication when an employee might be thinking about leaving, sort of streamlining things for the general affairs department.
That's an interesting one. Using AI for potentially sensitive internal chats.
It definitely raises questions, efficiency versus maybe the human touch there.
It's a delicate balance for sure. And the final project that caught my eye was the speaker identification for transcription. This was to enhance their existing Pochitona web app.
Pochitona.
Right. So the app already transcribes audio, but adding speaker identification, that makes it way more useful, especially for meetings with multiple people.
Oh, yeah. Knowing exactly who said what transforms those transcripts, doesn't it? Makes meeting records so much clearer.
Spot on. Imagine sorting through action items or key decisions.
And what's really notable through all this is how directly the students applied their IT skills. These were genuine business needs they were addressing.
Right, not just class assignments, real-world application.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And all this work led up to a formal presentation event, right?
Yes, and it sounds like it was quite serious, not just a casual show and tell. The students presented their solutions, got feedback from Ling employees, but also from an external senior manager, someone from the food industry, apparently.
Oh, interesting. An outside perspective.
Yeah, adds a layer of rigor to the whole evaluation process,
It really shows Ling valued the students' work and their insights. And to recognize that effort, Ling gave out physical certificates, which is nice.
Standard, yeah.
But they also did something pretty modern. They issued digital certificates as NFTs.
Oh, wow, NFTs.
Yeah, using IndySquare's Hazama base platform. That's quite forward-thinking.
Definitely a cool addition to a resume. Real project experience plus cutting-edge digital recognition.
For sure.
And it's good to see Ling is committed to continuing these internships. It's such a valuable sort of testing ground for students and a real boost for their careers.
Yeah, it really builds that resume.
So wrapping this up, what we're seeing is a company proactively using university talent, not just for fresh ideas, but for practical solutions.
Exactly. Ling's basically set up a win-win here. They get innovative solutions, potentially find future hires,
right?
And the students get invaluable real-world experience that actually means something.
So this deep dive into Ling's internship model kind of leaves us with a final thought to chew on. If more industries adopted similar models, really integrating student talent to solve real problems, what sort of unexpected, maybe cross-industry collaborations between companies and universities might we start to see down the road?
That's a great question. Lots of possibilities there.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for exploring this with us on The Deep Dive.